Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh. Today is the 10th April and today's my video topic will be it is a technical topic and today's topic will be JDK, JVM and JRE. These are three components of the JDK is a Java development kit. It is used by developer to develop the Java application. It is a JDK. It is the various tools will be situated, and it's like compiler, interpreter, and also they situated various libraries, APIs, and APIs, and various components will be situated. That's why the application will be run easy, and they useful for developers. Now, first of all, uh, understand what tools will be Java compiler. In Java compiler, where it is a source when Java compiler to help to convert source code into byte codes. When generally byte code by using the and they are very useful, and this all the source code are converted into byte code to the computer language. That's why the Java compiler will be used. Second tools will be in a JDK with a Java interpreter. They are executing the byte code in a system, and they by help the JVM. And also various library will be situated in a Java development kit, and this is a helpful to the developing software. They also they situated APIs and so on. Also they are document readers, and also the various component will be situated in a Java development kit. It's the Java development kit. It is useful for developing a Java application, and they also helpful for testing and debugging the program. This in a JDK Java development kit also situated JRE, that is not Java Virtual Machine, and JVM, JRE Java Runtime Environments, and also JVM Java Virtual Machine. These are the components will be situated in the JDK. Now we discuss another part of the today's video topic will be JRE. JRE is the Java runtime environment, and this physical quantity, and this to provide the environment to the develop the application, and also various library will be situated in a runtime environment. They also uh, compile the program to convert byte code to convert source code into byte codes, and JRE will be platform. They also platform integration. They run any other system, any other system like Linux and IX. Also they are run any other system. They also run any other system, and the component of the JRE will be JVM will be situated in a JRE. This is a JRE is a part of the Java development kit. They provide the Java environment. And third part will be JVM. This is known as Java virtual machine, and this is one of the component of the Java runtime environment. This is a virtual machine, not a physical quantity. They are virtual will be present. Uh, they are also platform independent, and these are the component, one of the part of the JRE. This is all about the JDK, JRE, and JVM. This JDK will be run any other. They are platform independent. Run uh, any other desktop, and like Linux and any IX. They will be run to the any other. And these all are uh, uh, in Oracle, and this is all about today's topic. Will be discussed JDK, JRE, and JEM. We will be discuss how they are used and various components of the JDK, JRE, and JVM. They are to discuss about today's topic. This is all about the information about the JDK, JRE, and JVM. Thank you.